In this video, we'll show you how to install the ink tanks. First, unwrap the new ink tank and remove the orange protective material. Be careful not to touch these parts of the ink tank. Never squeeze the tank. Power on the printer. Lift open the top cover. The carriage will move to the ink replacement position. Remove any empty ink tanks by pressing the front tab in while lifting up. The printer screen will indicate that you've removed an ink tank. Match the new ink tanks with the corresponding label. Hold the ink tank diagonally and gently insert it as to not strike the electrical contact at the far end of the ink tank holder. Be careful not to strike the surrounding area. Press the ink tank down until it clicks into place. If the ink tank has been inserted properly, it will show on the screen. Repeat this process until all ink tanks are installed. All 8 ink tanks should appear on the screen when you're finished. Now close the cover. The printer will perform some initial adjustments. This may take a few minutes. The ink tank installation is now complete. Please visit our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.